All right, Shalom. First, let's start by sending our praise to Yahweh, by Shemiah Rashai, by Shmuel Kakadash, double honors to the elders and the apostles that rule well, and salutations to the brothers that's doing the truth and sincerity. This is over 100 killed, dozens missing in Nepal floods and landslides. Right, so before I press play on this, go over here to the Wikipedia. Nepal, officially the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal, is a landlocked country in South Asia. It is mainly situated in the Himalayas, but also includes parts of the Gangetic Plain. It said it borders the Tibet Autonomous Region of China to the north and India to the southeast and west, while it is narrowly separated from Bangladesh by the Siliguri Corridor and from Bhutan by the Indian state of Sikkim. It says Nepal has a diverse geography, including fertile plains, subalpine forested hills, and 8 of the world's 10 tallest mountains, including Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth. Kathmandu is the nation's capital and the largest city. Nepal is a multi-ethnic, multilingual, multi-religious, and multicultural state with Nepali as the official language. All right, so these are the ethnic groups. Oh, this is where it's located at, as you can see. All right. Territory claimed but controlled by India, shown in light green. It says, all right, here are all the ethnic groups. The religions and all this religion shit gonna be done away with. These names that were given to the nations are gonna be done away with when the kingdom of heaven come. Here's the president. Ram Kendra Paudel. Here's the vice president. All right. I'm not gonna get into all the rest of the specifics. That's just to give you some understanding on where Nepal is and what's going on. We got Satan.
The course is structured in a way where we're doing hands-on activities. We have breakout sessions where we can get different perspectives.
Rescue workers are using rubber dinghies and helicopters. Thousands of people are stranded after heavy flooding in Nepal's Kathmandu Valley. More than 100 people have been killed and many more are missing after intense rain caused floods and landslides. Rescue workers are using rubber dinghies and helicopters to move people to safety.
Water started entering our garage after 10:30 p.m. and a few of my friends managed to escape the flash floods and reached to a safer ground. The flood engulfed the area and swept a few vehicles. I woke up others and we climbed to the top of the bus and spent the whole night there.
The government's warning against unnecessary travel, and buses are banned from highways at night.
As the rain became more intense, water gushed into the cabin of our truck at around 1 a.m. We jumped, swam, and got away from it. But my wallet, bag, and mobile have been swept away by the river. I have nothing now. We stayed the whole night in the cold.
More rain is expected, and the government has issued flood warnings across Nepal. Intense rain is unusual at this time of year, as the monsoon season is meant to end in mid-September. Barbara Angopa, Al Jazeera.
All right, so Slocky, bear with me. Bringing this information also about Nepal. Monsoon season, Nepal. Nepal's yearly or annual monsoon takes place between June and August. Fat rain clouds bubble up over the sea south of India and sweep across the country, where they collide with the cooler air of the Himalayas, dropping their rain in torrential fashion. Right, so that's about the monsoon season. This is tempest. Psalms 83 verse 15. So persecute them with thy tempest and make them afraid with thy storm. Isaiah 29:6, thou shalt be visited of the Lord Yahweh of hosts with thunder, with earthquake, and great noise, with storm and tempest, and the flame of devouring fire. All right, so all this is just, prophecy, man. The Lord is tearing the world up at this point in time. The plagues. Second Ezra 15:5. Behold, saith the Lord, Yahweh Shema Shai, I will bring plagues. The plagues is the monsoons upon the world, the sword, famine, death, and destruction. So that's what you see going on. We living in the time of the plagues, man. This stuff wasn't happening years ago on this scale. All this death, hundreds of people dying. Lord is exterminating people. Second Ezra 16:5. Plagues are sent unto you, and what is he that may drive them away? Can't nobody drive these plagues away, man. Verse 6, may any man drive away an hungry lion in the wood, or may anyone quench the fire in stubble when it hath begun to burn? May one turn again the arrow that is shot of a strong archer? Nope. The mighty Lord sendeth the plagues, and who is he that can drive them away? And you got examples of in the scriptures in Exodus with Moses of the Lord sending the plagues And the only person that could stop the plagues from happening was Moses. The Lord used Moses to send the plagues and stop the plagues, basically. Yeah, man, so it ain't nothing these people can do to stop what's going on. Ain't nothing the devil, Esau, even though he tried to declare himself as a god, can do to stop these plagues from happening, man. We at the end of his society and the end of the rest of these kingdoms and with their allegiance unto him via the EU or NATO, whatever branch of government they may have. All that is being done away with, man, with these plagues. And next is the kingdom of heaven. So, Kwame Yasharallah, all praise to Yahweh Shai, double honors to the elders and the apostles that rule well. And salutations to the brothers that's doing the truth and sincerity. Shalom.